Hi, welcome to Slow Paced Listening Practice. Today we are going to practice simple present for daily routines, including adverbs of frequency. Remember, you can always find links in the description of the video to practice this vocabulary. Here we go. I normally get up at 7 o'clock and prepare breakfast for my family and me. I always make sure to prepare a strong cup of coffee. After that, I take my children to school. When I come back, I start my classes online. I never start a class without preparing the materials beforehand. My students hardly ever cancel our appointments, occasionally because they are sick or on a trip. In the afternoon, I pick up my kids from school and we have dinner together. We generally eat at home, but sometimes when I don't feel like cooking, we go out. In the evening, we enjoy watching a movie together. At night, we brush our teeth, and finally, we go to bed at around 9 p.m. What do you do at night? Remember to subscribe to keep practicing your listening.